There is beautiful Lake Elbert. This is a view from the driveway of my new listing, or my listing here at 1406 Drexel Avenue. If you look to the left of that strand of trees down by the lake is the lake frontage that comes with this property. It's kind of interesting. There's the lot that the home comes in, and then it's got a separate lot right beside it that includes that lake frontage. There is enough lake frontage for you to build a dock on there. So for all of you boaters, water skiers, fishermen, sorry, there is some great opportunity here. Again, beautiful Lake Elbert. And let's go and take a look at the house. So you can see the side yard here. This is part of the extra lot. And then you've got a carport. And you can see it's a very large lot. Let's go on in and take a look. The home is around 1,800 square feet. It's 4 beds and 2 baths. The only thing that could probably still use some upgrading is the 2 bathrooms, although they did reglaze the tubs. So as you enter, you're entered into a formal living room. And then straight ahead of you, as you go to the left, you have the bedroom wing. To the right, you have the kitchen. You can see there are stainless steel appliances. Cabinetry has been painted. There's a nice black backsplash with a second tone of backsplash behind the range. All the appliances are newer, and they will come with the home. Nice countertops as well. Let's go look at the bedroom wing. Here we have the first bedroom. It's been used as an office. One of the owners is a school teacher, so it's kind of set up as just a little mini classroom too. If you're doing homeschooling, it could be a great place for that. We have a pantry here. And then we have an inside laundry room, utility room. You've got your air handler out here, your hot water heater, which is brand new, and your washer and dryer, and plenty of storage space. You've got a little linen closet. And then here's a second bedroom. This is one of the bathrooms. And down the hallway, you have a second bathroom. This is what they're using as the master. There was an extra bedroom here, but they cut out the wall to make a nice seating area. I love this seating area here. So they can essentially close up the rest of the house, save on their electric, and just be in here, watch TV, whatever. And then we walk into the family room, dining room combo. Ignore my computer there. Little breakfast bar. It's a nice big space. And then we have the fourth bedroom. out this window. Views of Lake Elbert. We'll go out to the large Florida room. They used to have a hot tub out here. You can see this is really big space. And then we go out to the very spacious backyard. Again, mature landscaping. Very nice lot. Very nicely maintained. It does have a little storage shed over there as well. So this house is listed for $399,900. It's hard to find lake frontage in Winter Haven nowadays. No HOA to deal with. They are building a walking trail around Lake Elbert that'll be part of the Sapphire Loop Trail. So a set of walking trails throughout Winter Haven. So you'll notice by the lake frontage there's a little construction markers now. That is for that walking trail that's going to be going up around the lake. One last feature of this home that is very unique is that it actually has a basement, which are, as you know, very rare in Florida, because usually if you have a basement, you're underwater. In this case, they use the basement as a podcast studio, and they've used it as a hurricane shelter. They've never had any issues with water in here. So, kind of a neat little feature that you just don't see very often here in Florida. Anyway, I hope you'll come by, schedule a showing, and check out this really unique home here in Winter Haven. Again, it does include lake frontage, enough lake frontage to build a dock. Hope to see you, hope to hear from you. Have a great day, everybody.